Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Windows 7 is on Service Pack 1 because many NET fixes depend on that baseline. Once done, create a restore point so you can revert if something breaks. Next, download the exact NET framework offline installer that matches the error and grab the Microsoft Fix-It or Windows Update Troubleshooter. These tools automate registry and component repairs. Make sure Windows Update has no pending restarts, because updates block reinstallation steps and cause failures. You run the Fix-It tool first to clear common component store and registry issues. This resolves many repairable errors automatically. After that, uninstall problematic NET versions from programs and features and reboot when prompted to clear locked files. Then run the offline installer as administrator, because elevated rights are required to register assemblies and update the global assembly cache. While it runs, watch progress and save the installer log. Those entries explain why an install might later fail. Once installation completes, run Windows Update repeatedly until no further NET updates appear, because patches finalize runtime components. If problems persist, examine the CBS and installer logs to identify missing dependencies, and then run System File Checker with sfc/scano to repair corrupted system files. If that still fails, use the NET Cleanup tool to remove remnants, reboot into safe mode, and reinstall the framework. One key troubleshooting tip: if an installer error repeats, record the error code and search logs. That pinpoints the failing component.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.